Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're opening Shopkins jumpin juicer. There's 8 exclusive Shopkins with the jumpin juicer, and there's also a blender. I don't even know what that is. That's a blender. We also have that thingy. I don't know what it is. We have Juicy Smoothie Collectible Collection. In the back they have the names. If you need more time to watch the names, just pause the video, okay? So now let's give you a close-up. Okay, now let's open it. It looks very fun. I want to open it right away, right? Cameraman, talk to me.
Yes.
How do you open this? Oh, that's very easy. Not strong enough. I love this. I want to cut myself into a slice of orange, right? You remember this? You remember this was very hard to open? I can still open it, guys. I'm just strong enough to take it out. The juicy blender just popped out. Let's take out the card of the juicy blender. Look. Oh, just kidding. We don't need to get it yet. Looks like yogurt. Hey cameraman, have you ever drank kiwi juice?
Yes.
How does it taste? How does kiwi juice taste?
Sweet and sour.
You want to take a shower? What are you talking? Have you ever drank mango juice?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yes.
But did you like it?
Yes.
So you like everything in the whole world?
Yes. No. I don't like durian.
Huh? You don't like what?
I don't like mangosteen.
What is mango? What is steen?
Mangosteen is a fruit from Thailand or Asian food.
I don't like lemon. Let's put the peach with no leaf. No, let's put the peach and the orange, and let's cover the peach and orange up, and let's break it. Let's blend it. Ooh. Now it's done. Let's pour it inside. Let's pour it inside here. Here's a great drink. Wait. Okay, now let's mix it. And let's put another fruit here. Let's put it in on top here. Drink it.
Thank you.
Let's,
There's nothing left.
Done. Again, we poured it inside here. And we got ourselves a drink, and we're gonna drink it, right?
Yeah.
You guys want it? Here, you can have it. Can you put real juice inside here?
I think you need to clean it up first. Make sure that it's clean.
We can put this on the side. It's better. Okay, what is this? What is this?
I don't know. Let me
Why is this fire so
Chocolate.
strong?
It says it's chocolate.
White chocolate?
Yes,
Let's
white
put
chocolate.
some white chocolate in here with this thing. Tap, 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 tap. Now we cut it in there. We put another orange. We put another piece of yogurt. We put a pineapple. Done. Let's close the lid and blend it. Here has a wheel so we can blend it. Now it's done. We don't need a drink anymore. Let's only try put the yogurt and the chocolate. It's a sweet smoothie. Okay. Oh. Wrong way? Oh, no. Okay, let's have the last drink is this one. It's a super sweet drink. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah! Oh, it can spin here. And the white piece inside it, it's working. So let's put the drink in here. Put the junk out and here, pretend drink. Nothing in that. Okay, done. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.